Okay, good afternoon everyone. So today we from Group 4 going to do some presentation about cell-to-cell communication or in bahasa komunikasi antar sel. So before we start the presentation, let me introduce ourselves. First, my name is Komandifa Arianita with the last name 054, and my friends.
My name is Yusuf Kanti, last name is 057. My name is Putri Sedia Putri, my last name 059.
My name is Nugrina Kusumarti with the last name 069.
Okay, the first material is introduction. Will be explained by Ayam.
Okay, welcome to the person. It's like introduction.
Number one, living organisms consist of cells. Number two is multicellular organisms cell communicate to regulate body function. And number three, communication helps maintain growth, development, and homeostasis. So, cell cannot live in isolation. They must constantly send and receive signal to coordinated actions such as tissue repair, hormone regulation, and immune responses. Without communication, the body will lose control of its function. Okay, next slide. Okay, next slide is definition. Cell-to-cell communication. Cell-to-cell communication is the process by which cell exchange information through chemical or physical signal to coordinate biological cell function. So, in this process, one cell acts as a center that releases and signaling molecule, while another cell acts as a receiver that detects and responds to that signal through a receptor on its surface. Okay, next slide. Okay, the slide types of cell communication. Number one, direct contact. Number two, parasitic signaling. Number three, endocrine signaling. And number four, autocrine signaling. And number five, synaptic signaling. So, there are five main types of cell communication based on how far the signaling travel. Some occur between adjacent cells, while others can act over long distance through the bloodstream. Okay, next presentation with my friend. Okay, the next slide is about direct contact will be explained by this.
In slide, direct contact. Cell communication through physical contact via junction
Then for your field, the first, what is the primary difference between green